period. So karon guys ang cherry blossom. Cheers ba? Oh, ang mga baby shoes guys, sandals, is super cute. And of course Blowy. Hi Blowy. Yes, Blowy guys. Blowy. Nice crop. Bingo. Blowy. Bingo, it's Blowy. And another cherries. And Cyclops guys. This one is on sale. $4. Oh, so cute. Pili na guys. Daghan ang atong mga sandals. Oh, more cherry pie, pot pie. Yes. Oh, so cute guys, everything is so cute. Oh, so nice. $10 for this guys. Oh my gulay, pearl. Nice, huh? I love this style also guys. See? Oh my gulay. All the baby girl. Buday oy, mga sandal buday. Nindot buday mga sandal. And your Crocs is so cute. It's super cute buday ha. Oh my. Yes. Nakita na ka? Oh, super cute. Ha? Yes, wala na sila choice. Daghan na gid siya. Oh, diba? There. Ay, Bluey. Because summer na, magsandal na ta. Shade of Shore. Shore. Diba guys? Shade of Shore na. Oh, nice. Harika sa green. Only $5 guys. Palit na taani so we can go swimming. Diba? Buday, look at your dress, Buday. Yes, og mo sale na ni. We'll buy this one next year. Kamo 1 year old na tong baby girl na mo. 2 years old na si Buday. Hanang. Palitan na Buday ha. Sige, let's go.